If you want to merge two Prezi presentations without rebuilding everything from scratch, this video is going to save you a lot of time. In this tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to copy content from one Prezi presentation and insert it into another using my library, so you can combine slides, topics, images, and structures into one clean master presentation. This is perfect if you're working on a school project, a business pitch, or any presentation that needs content from multiple Prezi files. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your first presentation, which is the one you want to copy content from, and make sure you're in edit mode. This is important because you won't be able to select and save elements properly unless the presentation is editable. Once your presentation is open, look for the topics, images, text blocks, or grouped structures that you want to merge into another Prezi. Click and drag your cursor across the content to select everything you want to copy. You can select a single object, or if you want to move a larger section, make sure you highlight the whole set of elements together so they stay organized when you insert them later. After your selection is ready, look at the floating property bar that appears above the selected content. On that bar, you'll see an icon that looks like a small folder with a star or plus sign. This is the Add to My Library option. Click that icon to save your selected content into your Prezi library. Once you do that, Prezi stores the block so you can reuse it in another presentation without recreating it manually. Now go back to your dashboard and open your second presentation, which is your main master file. Again, make sure you're in edit mode so you can add new content to the canvas. This is the presentation where your merged content will be placed. With your master file open, go to the top toolbar and click the Insert button. A drop-down menu will appear, and from that menu, choose My Library. When you click that, a sidebar panel will open and show all the content blocks you've saved earlier. Find the block you just saved from your first presentation, and then simply drag and drop it onto your new canvas overview. Prezi will place it into your presentation and automatically create a new path step at the end of your timeline for the merged content. That means your copied section becomes part of the flow of your presentation without needing to rebuild navigation manually. After you drop it in, take a moment to review the placement, the size, and the layout to make sure it fits naturally with the rest of your master presentation. You can reposition it if needed, adjust spacing, and check that the new path step flows properly with the rest of your content. And that's it. You've now merged two Prezi presentations by saving content to My Library and inserting it into your main file. This is one of the fastest ways to combine Prezi projects while keeping your workflow organized and efficient. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.